Woo! Welcome back to part 7. So yeah, they don't really tab in, which is a shame because they have tabs, but they're not quite long enough to tab in. So then, we on to Stakeout. Flip its back feet like this. Flip its front hood up. Okay. Not all the way, but halfway like that, they're saying. Then we want to rotate it around. So you see the little itty bitty tiny rubber head. Flip out its pad like that, and then we just tab it in, I guess, like here. And again, the pad doesn't really want to get all the way in there. Because you see this gap here? There should not be a gap. Yet there is a gap. Even turning like this and forcing it in there, there's still going to be a gap. And these do not tab in. They're just little slots. It would be nice if they actually had tabs to tab those into there. So the only way to get it tighter would be to, I hate to say this, but get a X-Acto knife or a little hat saw. Cut this little pad a little bit shorter. And by doing that little trick, you could get this to completely, line up and, well, actually do its job. And then just turn it like this and pop it into the hand, which goes this way. Which actually now it's really awkward and hard to kind of hold it, but there is the Binder Boost Salvage Blaster. Piece of stupid garbage, because I mean, this one's the worst on Slades. You got a bit of rubber head sitting up there. At least this one they tried to hide it. Which I don't even know why he put his little top cap on, because this one really needs a top cap. Instead, little inferno. And then you got these, which don't even tab in there. You have a pad that's too big that doesn't connect. No tabs here to tab them in. Yeah. This is a pretty weak combiner weapon. And let's see, does it even tab into anywhere? Now, oddly enough, for some strange reason, this will tab into the arms and the side. But this one, nope. Oh, it kind of tabs in there. But if we tab it into his arm, no. This one, can we tab it into his arm? Yes, so, I don't know, it's kind of odd stuff. Anyway, so this one, strength, not too good on strength. This, it's either targeting, like adds into range of how many yards they could see the enemy,